Hi, Jenny here. The weather is warming up outside, and so people are grilling out and going on picnics, and it's the perfect time to make some fruit dip. So we are going to make some Maraschino Cherry Fruit Dip today. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 7 ounces, so the whole container of marshmallow cream, 1 cup of Cool Whip, and 2 tablespoons of maraschino cherry juice. Okay, first we are going to beat our cream cheese for 3 minutes, and then we are going to add our 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla and beat it for 1 more minute. Now that the cream cheese and powdered sugar are all creamed together real well, we're going to scrape down the spatulas in the bowl, and then we will fold in the rest of our ingredients with the spatula. So our 1 cup of Cool Whip, the marshmallow cream, and the 2 tablespoons of cherry juice. This juice will stain your countertop, so you want to make sure you wipe the side of the jar if you're pouring from the jar, so that it doesn't leave a ring on your countertop. It's a pretty pink color. We will now transfer our dip to a bowl, cover it with some saran wrap, and let it chill in the refrigerator for 2 hours. While this is chilling, and I will go ahead and prepare some of my fruit that I'm going to eat this with. It looks yummy. The fruit dip is ready to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. YouTube likes that for the algorithm. And also subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I am going to enjoy my fruit dip now. Let me know down in the comments down below if you like to eat fruit dip and what your favorite recipe is. I've made a few before that I've really liked, and I have a few now that I'm going to make that I'm sure I'm going to like. So, I'm going to eat my snack. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. And sometimes you can eat it all different kinds of fruits. Grapes, that are strawberries or pretzels even, sweet, salty. Oh yeah. That is delicious. Yummy.